Kitchen installation. The right lighting. Kitchen installation can be an overwhelming task due to the number of things that you ought to think about. You would figure out where the cabinetry must be situated, install the worktops, sinks and faucets, flooring, ventilation and its lighting. This is a huge task that consists of plumbing, carpentry, and electrical works. Kitchen islands are spaces where you can do a lot of tasks, from the preparation of your foods to balancing of your checkbooks. You need to install pendant lighting for the comfort of all the household members. Pendant lighting is commonly known as drops, as it is hanging from the ceiling. It is quite popular as it complements the laid-back lifestyle of most families today. This is less complicated compared with chandeliers, yet equally stylish. In addition, it serves the same purpose at a much lower price. One of its key features is the dimmer switch that allows you to regulate its brightness to suit your tasks, as you would need different lighting for reading, cooking and socializing.